How does a funnel work? And how can it do the selling and telling for you after you drive traffic to it to the point to where you can just walk away and let it take over for you? Hi, I'm Carol Reve. Welcome to this channel. This is all about my budget-friendly funnel, how it can help you, what is a funnel, what are the different parts of it, okay? And this is called a capture page. All right, it's also called a landing page. It has a few different names. Okay, so don't let that stop you. They all do the same thing. It's a spot where you put your email in, or your prospect puts your email in. Then they click get instant access because the capture page piqued their interest and they want to know more information. This is where you have, now don't let me get you worried like when I use terms like autoresponder if you're not familiar with that. This is all set up for you. It's just plug and play. It's all set up through LeadsLeap, okay? And if you struggle and you don't know how to set it up, if you join me in LeadsLeap, I will set it up for you, okay? So I'm very excited. So this is the capture page. We have many capture pages. This is another capture page. As you see this right here, this is what we call a pop-up. This is what the capture page is right here. And when somebody puts their name in an email, of course, that's when the magic begins to happen. But if somebody comes to the capture page and they're getting ready to go to another page, what helps the conversion is they're getting ready to go to another page, they go up like that, and this pops up. This is on every capture page, okay, because it increases the conversions. Here's just a couple of our capture pages, of my capture pages that I've got set up. There's that pop-up. Okay, and this is, here's another one. This is a LeadsLeap where I create everything right here. Okay, and it's very simple with just share codes is all it is. All right, and so now once they put their name in here, they're going to come to here, which is a bridge page, this is called, where I'm talking to them about the benefits of a funnel, about the multiple income streams that you can earn, because that's what a funnel is all about multiple income streams, about doing the selling and telling for you so you don't have to, but you do have to drive traffic, okay? Now, after they listen to that, if they want more information, they can click here for setup or for more information, and that goes to right here where I go into more details about the funnel, about what they need to do, about how the funnel benefits them personally. Okay, and then this is GDI. This is our main company that's in this because it's a $10 company. It's been around for over 20 years, like 25 years. It's very solid. Okay, LeadsLeap is also very solid. That's why I chose this. And very reasonable in price. Very reasonable compared to the other ones that are out there. Okay, so they go there. And then also what they end up having to do is they also have to go to their email, okay, and validate their email that they want the information. So that's a very good lead. And you'll see that when you get somebody that opts in, you get notification. And it's called SendSteed, is from LeadsLeap, okay? And as you can see here, this works. This funnel converts, but you have to drive traffic. You can't just do, you know, one or two traffic sources or a few hits a day and expect to have success, all right? You need to drive traffic. Where do you drive traffic? Well, you drive traffic from social media. If you have any influence on any of the social media platforms, you put your your funnel on there, and people are going to ask for more information. Okay? It all starts with the capture page, and then it goes to the sales page. And on the sales page here, you have, of course, contact information, and then you have buyer traffic here for $10. And then the fourth one, right there, if you click that, the fourth one is a page where I have a lot of different traffic resources that you can choose from. I put these up first because these are really good and really affordable. Okay? These are really good and these are hands-free. Okay? But don't... So much of the traffic is going to give you like one or two opt-ins a day. Okay? So you need multiple. Plus, you should be posting on Facebook. I give you the posts to put on Facebook, okay? There's to sign up with Pro Leads Lead. This is wholesale premium traffic. Been using that for years. I've been using many of these a long time too. These two right here, actually these three, no, these four are really good. And this one is like a all on everything traffic right there. And they're just very good. And wholesale premium traffic I use before I use any Udemy. This one is a nice budget friendly traffic resource. I really like this one too. Okay. Remember, for just $17, if you get a few opt-ins for that, that's worth it right there. And then here's some traffic co-ops and then some traffic exchanges. All right. And then there's a share code on this one too. On the on when you join, you're gonna get a resource page right here that has all the share codes on here. Okay, it has our team share codes, and you get an email series. Okay, to go back to your email, you're going to have emails sent out for you from the autoresponder. Remember, when they put their email in, they're going to get an email sent to them. If you set up your system yourself, you get over 300 emails. If you want me to set it up for you, I do 50 emails, okay? It's because it takes so much. Because there's a lot in this to set up, okay? So this is how a funnel works for you. So while you're off living your life, because I work maybe a couple hours in the morning on this, do a couple videos, I post to Facebook, I post LinkedIn, and then I'm done. You know, I do some videos like this, and then I go off and I live my life, and I, spend time with my family, spend time with my grandkids, spend time with my daughter. And both of my daughters, my one lives far away, so I have to talk with her on the phone. But this is a wonderful life if you're able to do this. This takes time, though. This is not get rich quick. You don't expect to be able to do this in just a couple months. It takes time to build the momentum, to build it and get it going. It takes time to build the traffic and get it going. Okay? So that's it for today. This is how this helps you. The Follow Up email series does the selling and telling for you. It connects you to your prospects. They will ask you questions. If you have any questions, and of course you need to be on my team, and then you're not sure of, just send them to me. Send your questions to me and I'll answer them as fast as I can and get them back to you so you can answer your prospect. Okay? God bless and take care.